Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Finecare one-step MAU rapid quantitative test. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. So as you can see, it is well packed. This is, as you can see, this is from Wondfo Finecare, the one-step MAU rapid quantitative test. You can see the reference number here, W206. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. You can see it has a standard shelf life of 2 years. You can see it has a storage temperature of 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So guys, you can see it is a C certified IVD product, and you can see the travel precautions over here. It's made from Wondfo, China, and at the bottom side you can see the manufacturing address. It is manufactured by Wondfo Biotech, China, and you can see all these details over here. So guys, let me open this for you. So as you see, on the top we can see the Wondfo Finecare one-step MAU rapid quantitative test IFE brochure. So as you can see, this is the IFE brochure for the one-step MAU rapid quantitative test. So as you can see, this is the other side of that kit. So let me show you the other side. You can see here. See the details over here. And so guys, this is the one-step MAU rapid quantitative test. You can see the catalog number here, W206. So let me keep this aside. Okay, and then we have the ID chip for the one-step MAU. You can see, it has the code and the lot number. It acts as a quality control chip for the Finecare machine, the FIA machine. So let me keep this here. Then we have the I think this is the pipette tips. Yeah, so here we have the pipette tips for the Wondfo one-step MAU rapid quantitative test. You can see there are 20 tips present here. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the cartridges. Yeah, as you can see, this is the Finecare one-step MAU rapid quantitative test cartridges. As you can see, this is the 25 cartridges pack. You can see 25 individual cartridges. Each of these packs are individually packed. It is well packed in a airtight cover. You can see this is a C certified product, and you can see the reference number here, W206. You can see the lot and the manufacturing and the expiry date. So each of these caskets come with a specific silica gel to prevent it from moisture. So guys, so this is the entire unboxing of the Finecare one-step MAU rapid quantitative test. And you can see, this is the box which comes. There are 25 cartridges present. So this is the cartridge. So this is the ID chip for the one-step MAU. This is the pipette tips, and this is the IFE brochure of it. So this is the entire unboxing of Finecare one-step MAU. Thank you.